Hello everybody, my name is Erin with the customer service team here at Transfer Express. Transfer Express creates custom transfers for you to apply with your heat press. Today we're going to talk about the easiest transfers for you to create and sell. All you have to do is select a font. Who is your audience? Is it an adult or is it youth? Do you want it to be more masculine or feminine? The font should reflect the emotion you're trying to evoke. Is it happy or is it scary? Font is very important. You want to make sure you don't end up with a font fail. First, we're going to add text in the upper left-hand corner. Change the word to the word that you need printed. You're going to click the fonts list for a whole list of our easy print fonts. There's plenty in there. To adjust the size, you're going to type in the number you're looking for, or you can simply click and drag a corner. You can add your second and third, even a fourth word in there if you can fit. To get the most bang for our buck, I'm going to go ahead and flip this word around so that it squeezes right in there. This is the sheet we'll be printing for you. So from one sheet, you get 4 shirts. Let's print one of those now. So we're going to go ahead and thread our garment. All right, check all the seams there. Seems to be pretty good. As always, we're going to pre-press our garment for a couple seconds. Want to make sure we get rid of any moisture. Alrighty, so these are applied at 340 degrees for 10 seconds. All right, it looks pretty good. All right, so these are a cold peel, so we're gonna go ahead and remove it from our platen. Now that we're cool to the touch, we're gonna go ahead and pull in one swift motion. There you have it, it's that easy. Let's see what you can create using our Easy View Online Designer. If there's a topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, go ahead and comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Happy pressing!